Hello fellow DIYers and focus owners. Today we have a Mondeo Mk3 rear view mirror that has the auto darkening function, and I will attempt to wire it up and mount it in my 2001 Ford Focus. So what we need to know beforehand about this mirror is that it has 3 wires. The middle one, or number 2, is ground. Number 1 should be 12 volts switched, and the third pin or third wire should be the reverse light or reverse signal. Unfortunately, this thing has like 2 wires that are the same color, so that's a thing. It doesn't really bother us. We can put maybe a piece of tape over it. And I also have some extra automotive wire in case these don't reach in the panel where I want them to. So that's pretty much it. Let's go to the car and mount the mirror. All in all, the procedure is rather simple, because you just need to mount the mirror up here, and then the wires should come here. You get the ground from the lamp, and the rest of the wires will come down here. Yes, I already removed the roof lining and these plastics in my previous video where I mounted the power sunroof. So if you want to see how you can do that, just go and check out that video. Let me show you guys how I've actually connected the mirror up. So ground goes to ground. I've connected that one up there to a shortest path. That doesn't really matter. But the plus 12 volts, yes, I've added some extra wire to these. That's why they are labeled and the wire is black. So this is a orange-white. This goes for the rear left side marker. And this with the, what's this, green and black, that one is the reverse light. So after that I'm going to pull these heat-shrink tubing over the wires, and I'm going to put everything back together, so it's really rather simple. So now I have the mirror on. You normally need to cover the light sensor and shine light into it. And I don't know if you can see, but now it's darker, like a bluish darker. And if I press off, then it clears out. It would be the same if I would put it in reverse. And the point is that the mirror only works when the headlights are on. It's not a stupid logic, because you usually have your headlights on in the dark. But yeah, maybe you can connect it to 12 volts that are 12 volts. It's up to you. So this is my solution. Thank you very much for watching and have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe.